Everyone, my name is Janil Garikuroto and today we talk about the fights against illegal drugs. What if I told you that the greatest threat to our future, to our community's future isn't lack of resources or opportunities, but something far closer to home? Silently recoding the foundation of trust, health, and progress that we've worked so hard to build. Imagine our hometown of Ubay, a place where neighbors greet each other by name, where sea and soil sustain generation, and where parents work tirelessly to provide for their families. Now picture this: a shadow creeping into our classroom, streets, and homes, threatening to unravel the very fabric of these values. The fight against illegal drugs is not just about national issue. It is deeply personal. Sorry. For decades, substance abuse has disrupted families, drained livelihoods, and dimmed the potential of countless young Filipinos. But why should we, as future educators, care? Because education is not just about imparting knowledge. It is about safeguarding futures. Every student lost to addiction represent a story cut short, a dream unfulfilled. This battle is not merely about enforcement. It is about prevention, compassion, and building communities resilient enough to say no to despair today. Let's explore how we, as advocates for progress, can turn to tide, not with fear, but with hope. Let me share a scenario. Many of us recognize bright students start skipping classes, their grades slipping as they withdraw from friends. Their parents already succeeded by the demands of farming or fishing feel helpless. This isn't just a statistic. It is